Well, Adam, croeso nôl, welcome back to the Cymru Premier. I think it's fair to say it's a move that may have surprised a good many of us.
Possibly, yeah. You know, for me at Wimbledon, I wasn't playing for the last few months, so it was important for me to go out and play somewhere. And TNS was hopefully a great opportunity to do that. You know, having a club and a manager that wants me makes a massive difference and a massive draw. You know, having experienced the league before, knowing that I was coming to a team that would suit my style of play, you know, they create a hell of a lot of chances. So hopefully I can, you know, come in and play my part. You know, the big thing here is about winning the league, and hopefully I can help bring that back here. And obviously what comes with that is European football, which in League One you're not going to get to a European competition, really. So yeah, there's quite a few things that did draw me back to the Cymru Premier.
And when did you first get the feeling or understand that TNS were interested in signing you?
It was probably literally the first day the transfer window opened. I went into Wimbledon and I was told that they were interested, and it kind of snowballed from there, and I think within about a week it was all sorted. You know, in football, you want to be playing as much as possible. For the first year I was at Wimbledon, because of injuries and then COVID, game time was limited anyway. And then, you know, this season I've been fit, I've been ready to play, but just haven't had the opportunities. So it's important for me to go somewhere that I could play, you know, week in, week out. Not that's a guaranteed here, because you still have to put the hard work in. It's a very competitive team. But I'd like to think that I have more of a chance playing here than just, you know, maybe sitting on a bench at Wimbledon or being left out of squads there.
And when a club like TNS break their record transfer fee to sign you, that says a lot about what they think of you.
Yeah, I suppose maybe puts the pressure on a little bit to come in and do the job I'm here to do as well. But I think that also shows the ambition of the club and where they want to go. So yeah, there's a little bit of pressure there, I suppose, but you know, it's one I'm sure I'll thrive off.
You were part of that journey with Cardiff Met and qualifying for Europe that year. You never actually got to sample the European football though, because you'd already moved on in the meantime. I'm guessing that was a big, big draw for here.
Yeah, massively. You know, I think obviously winning the league first and foremost, and then obviously with what comes of that is hopefully the Champions League qualifiers. You know, as you mentioned, I missed out on it before. So yeah, that was another big draw for me, was coming to play in a European competition.
Obviously with the COVID situation meaning that our league's at a standstill at the moment, is it difficult not to be out there playing competitive games?
Like I spoke about, I wasn't really playing anyway, so probably didn't make that much difference. So in essence, it's almost like a little mini pre-season for me to get used to them and how the team plays. So I see it as a positive thing.
And who's taking you under the wing at the moment?
To be fair, everyone's been good to me. Greg texted me, you know, straight away when I signed,
saying don't even think about coming in and taking my place.
Yeah, so yeah, all the boys they've all been brilliant with me, to be fair.
Well, listen, we wish you all the best, and yeah, we're certainly looking forward to when we can kick a ball again and seeing how it goes for you. Pub luck, you say.
Cheers, thank you.